What's good, everyone? Welcome back to another clean with me. I'm cleaning my whole apartment in this video. This was a whole day of cleaning, and yeah, I hope you're ready for this relaxing and therapeutic video. If you are new to Emem's home, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video if you do, turn on the notification bell, and let's get straight into this video. So today, as I said, I'm cleaning my whole apartment. It is a mess at the moment, and I also just needed to clean my bathroom because I hadn't done that in a while. So I'm just taking everything out of my bathroom. I like to just start with everything out of the space. So I cleared off my vanity. I cleared out all the stuff on the floors. I just cleared out the whole bathroom and then got into cleaning. So I started with my floors. So I actually used a brush to clean and sweep my bathroom floor today because I mentioned how I'm having issues with my vacuum. So yeah, it's just a whole thing. So whenever I feel like my floors are not really being cleaned, I just use my brush. I just go back to old-fashioned brushing and sweeping the floors. I definitely need to buy a new vacuum. It just hasn't happened yet. But one thing I do like about this brush, I think I bought it, I don't know where I bought it from, but I've had it since college. It kind of snaps out. The brush part snaps out from the pole. So it's easy for me to just sweep all the dirt into the pan. So yeah, it just works out perfectly for me because I can sweep everything in there, and it's just easier because the brush can pop out. And then I went in with my vacuum, just to go over the floors again, just cause. Alright, so it's time for me to start cleaning the bathroom, and I put in the soap in the toilet, the toilet bowl soap thing, and then started cleaning my bathtub. So here I'm just using my cleaning spray, and I'm just spraying all over the bathtub and then scrubbing down the walls, the actual bathtub, and just cleaning that whole space. Then I went ahead and scrubbed down my sink area as well, the sink bowl, as well as the vanity top part. So yeah, I just used the exact same cleaning products and just scrubbed that down and wiped that down. Then I went back into the toilet and scrubbed down the toilet bowl. Just used the toilet brush to scrub that down, and then grabbed some wipes and wiped down the rest and the other parts of the toilet. Alright, so I'm done with the bathroom and now I'm headed off to the bedroom. I just had some clothes that were just like sitting on a chair. So I said it was time for me to put them back into my closet. So I was just trying to find some hangers. I'm actually out of hangers. I really need to buy new hangers or find ways to like fit more stuff into this closet. But yeah, I just like hung some stuff, put some stuff away into the drawers. And yeah, that was basically all I did for my closet. And then I went ahead and started dusting around my bedroom, my nightstand, just took everything off and dusted down all of that. And then went off to my workspace as well and just dusted everything down and just did a whole dusting spree, I guess, with the windows and the mirror and all of that stuff. And I went ahead and vacuumed my room again. As I said, my vacuum is having issues, but sometimes it works and I just try to do as much as I can with it. So I just vacuumed my bedroom. Also, there's no other way I can clean this other than vacuuming it. So yeah, I'm just gonna vacuum the carpet in my bedroom now and then finish dusting other areas as well. Now that the bathroom is dry, the floors are dry, I'm just putting everything back into place. The bath mat and all my skincare products and all of that stuff back into where they're meant to be. My towels and all of that. Then now it's time for me to move on to the kitchen. This was definitely like, I guess, one of the dirtiest parts of the house. I just don't know how I had my sink pile up so high. I'm actually very embarrassed by this, but it's okay. Sometimes you just have those types of days. And so yeah, I'm just putting away some clean dishes from the previous wash, and now I'm just gonna put all the dishes in my sink into my dishwasher and just clear out the whole sink because that was very, 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 very needed. And then after that, I just went ahead and cleaned down my sink. So I usually have reusable straws, so I just used my straw brush and washed out my straws, and then scrubbed down the sink and just cleaned that whole area off. And then I went on to clean my microwave. I haven't done this in a while, so I was like, I really need to do this. So I just, cleaned it over, sprayed some cleaner on it, and just cleaned the inside, washed the microwave plate thing, and made sure that whole microwave, I guess, was clean. Then I cleaned my stovetop as well. I used the cleaner that I mentioned in some of my previous videos, and just like really scrubbed down all the grime and everything that could be on the stovetop, and make sure that everything was clean and nice and yeah, just looking good. So I hope you guys are having a great day wherever you are. I hope your day is going really great. I hope this video is satisfying and therapeutic and motivates you to get up and clean your own space. I am excited to continue making videos for this channel. I have a lot coming, and I'm just excited to see what you guys think. And yeah, I'm just excited to post more. If you haven't seen my last video, which was changing up my whole bedding setup, make sure to check that out. It is linked in the description box. It's just the last video that I posted. I really liked how my bed turned out, and if you haven't seen it, go check it out. And yeah, I can't wait to post my next video in the next 2 weeks. It's gonna be another kind of like home project kind of thing, and I'm excited to post that. It's coming soon, so make sure you have your notification bell on for that. So I just went ahead and wiped down the surfaces of my kitchen, and once I was done in the kitchen, I moved on to my living room. I just cleared out all the junk and all my computers and everything, and then went ahead and wiped down the surfaces, dusted around, vacuumed, vacuumed my carpet, or my rug, struggle vacuumed my rug, because yeah, I cannot use the vacuum on my rug at the moment because it literally would just make it worse. It leaves like lint and like dust on my rug. I used this other mouth that came with my vacuum, and just put that onto the head, and kind of just went over my rug as quickly and as much as I could. It's a very tiny mouth, so it doesn't grab as much, but right now I literally cannot use the regular vacuum like head on this. So yeah, that's kind of like my struggle vacuuming situation at the moment. But hopefully I can get a new vacuum at some point. So once I was done with that, I just vacuumed the rest of the room, took out my trash, and then Swiffered the floors, the kitchen floors, and the exposed living room floors as well. And I actually filmed this video before I changed my bedding, so I'm making my bed now, but it was with my old bedding. So yeah, I'm just like making my bed. I had just washed this bedding, and now I'm just putting my bed back together for the night. And then I grabbed my blankets from the dryer as well and went ahead and put them on my couch the way that I usually like to style them. I use these every single day, so I tend to wash them weekly as well with my bedding. So yeah, this is what my apartment looks like now. It is clean. I'm super happy with how everything turned out. It was a whole day of cleaning, literally from morning till night. Everything looks super clean and I'm very happy with how everything is. I hope you guys are having a great day. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys in my next one. I love you guys so much and I'll see you guys next time. Super excited for the next video. Stay tuned. Bye y'all.